Once again, my name is Mida Jimo, Team Leader of Plan B Express. I'm going to be taking you around an opportunity that abound and what you should do to maximize opportunity in 2025. Of course, there are a few things that a lot of people will ask you to come and join platform, join this company and all of that, but they aren't worthwhile. Now, why they were able to come to tell you all of those things is the fact that they've not seen you actually facing things how it ought to be. So I'm going to be showing you opportunity, and then one of the lovely things is this: we have forum that you can have access to information, and they are free. Okay, so 3 dimensions of opportunity we have: number one, trading; number two, number one, investing; number two, trading; and number three, affiliate marketing. So I'm going to run around all this. How do I maximize those opportunities you've just talked about? I know many of you will look at yourself that you do not have so much knowledge, you don't have understanding, and you have not learned how to trade and all of that. We got your back. So 2025 is highly loaded. Remember, we are going towards the last lap of the bull run. Yeah, the last lap of the bull run. So what have you actually done to maximize the bull run? You have missed the first step, and second step, the third step. So we are the fourth move of the bull run. So I have a few opportunity for you. I've told you these things are going to be in category, in segment by segment. The first segment is about investing, and the second segment is about trading. We call it career and trading corners. And then number three, it's called about career marketing and affiliate rebate system. So all of these are fantastic opportunity that you can maximize. There are a few things you need to take advantage of this space. Now, in our investing, we have a platform called PAYNET ecosystem. I'm not going to bore you with so much thing about this ecosystem, but it's a very powerful place. It runs around a platform referred to as FMC Pay. Now, what exactly are we doing in this space? Now, first of all, without much trouble or so much English, the first thing I would love you to do to maximize is to actually, go to the comment section, or you are in our community, to go and pick the link on FMC Pay link, register your name, fill your email, verify your account, do your KYC, all right, and then do your Google Authenticator for security. And now, when all of these are done, you have opportunity for an airdrop. Yes, you heard me right. You have opportunity for an airdrop. So an airdrop of worth of that 100 tokens or 1,000 tokens going to be given to you on FMC Pay. And so it's one of the first things we have as an opportunity. Now, so you download and then you can leverage on having the airdrop given to you free, just for you to download, register, take the link and register with your name. And that's the first thing. Now the FMC Pay passive, I call it salary residual passive income. Now you can accrue APR. So we have an APR system of about 105% per year. Yeah, you heard me right. 105% per year. Now the good thing is this per year APR is being paid daily. Okay, so but cumulatively in a year you have APR. Let me use a practical example of, we'll talk about the PAYNET ecosystem, Radium, another related staking project, then the robotic and partial passive income strategy, which we use trading bot for that, right? And then we have Optimus, Merritrade, Trove, cheaper cash for local and international capital and money market. So all of these are 4 segments we have in the passive income system. So the first one is the PAYNET ecosystem and FMC Pay. And so you literally do nothing, and then you have a stake and you can make money. Now, another example we're talking about now, it's the Radium system. All right. So like we have farming and all of those things, farming, staking, and I'll give you an example for you how it actually works. Now, so I'm sure when you hear about farming, I was just doing an experiment for some persons. This is an example of farming, for instance. Look at it here. You have it here where we have liquidity. Okay, so here is liquidity. Now, one of the other aspects of this farming is this: you need to be, you need to be, you need to get along to understand how it works. Because intermittently we change things, all right? We turn things around. So when we to supervise and all the like, and so that's the things you must understand. When it has to do with farming and all the like. So, for example, if you have um farming here, you have different projects. You have Solana USDT, 105% APR. Now look at it, right? 105% APR. That is, you're going to merge Solana and USDT together and 105. Now listen, this 105 is not a guarantee. It's not static. See the total money that is locked in this ecosystem. Total money locked is about how many billion? About $2 billion locked in this liquidity. That's total. Now, if you look at on Solana USDT, about $88 million is locked in this. Yeah, you heard me right. Now, that's 24 hours, $88 million and all of that. Now, that's, some put in, swap, remove, and all the like. Okay? Fee generated in 24 hours, about $8,000. So it's in this fee you get paid, okay? So transactions and all of that. So you can see, let's look at Solana USDC. Here is Solana USDC. So what was swap was not much, right? Because the trading, the fee was not much. But so we have more fee on Solana USDC, right? Come here. 14,000. No, okay, 8,000, 14,000. Okay, so this is 63 APR. So you have Solana USDT 105 APR. So if that's the case, if that's what you have, we are getting a paid APR. APR means annual, annual percentage returns, as it were. Now, there's something you must understand if you are doing farming. You are going to combine A asset and B asset together to form a liquidity. And what you're actually doing is that you are providing a volume for people who are going to be doing decentralized swapping. So that when they swap, there will be volume available. So in the process of doing this transaction, you get paid fractional. And those are the things you do, right? So you can see a lot. Look at Solana Radium, 40% APR. Now, this APR is not static, okay? So you need to have that understanding. It can go up, it can come down, and all of that. You have USDT, USDC, okay? APR is 8%. People are locking volume here and making, okay, imagine this. This is just 1%, okay? APR. Now we have Solana, AI, whatever. This is another maybe new token you need to know. And that this is about 689%. Sometime I probably will go out to go and check this token. All right. If I copy this contract address, I go to probably desk screener to check maybe it could be a new coin that's just trending. Okay. So I go there and search for this token and probably could buy. Now, well, I'm just showing you guys all of this stuff that when you are maximizing opportunity here, this is passive income. So, but of course, it's important you follow people who can direct you. And that's why we, first of all, encourage, okay, you can imagine this token. What's this? AI, Zaza. Now, in 24 hours, so let me look at when the token was created. This token is mintable. That is risky, okay? So it's mintable. That is, the owner can just mint more. But look at it. These are part of the risk. Liquidity is not locked, and all of this is quite risky. And so the level of risk about this, man, this is a token for over 2 months, 3 days ago was created, right? So sometime when we are looking at those, because when I see a token being paired, I probably want to go and look at what's the secret behind this coin, what's happening about this coin, 102%, right? I'm just showing you all of this now. But this is the point, passively, I just lock in token and then getting paid. All right. So APR, but on a daily basis, you'll be dropping little by little return for you. And that's example what you saw here. You can see Ray here. Ray was staked here. Look at it. Ray is staked here. Now, it has accrued for over a year plus or something, and we removed it. We generated about, now look at it, imagine APR, 4.89%, maybe more than that before in a year. This is APR a year. Well, maybe when it got started, maybe up to 20%. But the lovely thing is that when the token was bought, now don't laugh. When this token was bought, it was $10 that was used in buying this 64.41441 token. But right now, it's worth $333. Now, what accrued was about $100. So now maybe over a few days ago, what has been generated again, it's about 26 cents, right? Now, what was accrued was harvested and restaked into what we call farming. Now, look at the farming about 4 or 5 days ago. So, what it has generated again is about $1.05. If I place it down, you see that half is in USDC and half is in radium. And so it has generated. So anytime if I harvest, it will give both USDC and radium. So these are passive investment, right? These are passive investment, and you lift no fingers. The only thing is that, learning to understand, and that's why you are in the ecosystem, to learn how do we, maybe sometime when we have made some money, when some have really done well, we remove them, we switch them to another thing, or you are in need of money, and of course, you want to swap it and take out your money. These are the things, but these are flexible kind of staking. So, but this, like PAYNET, you're going to lock it for 24 months. And so we say it's 9% monthly, and with about $3,000. Now, cumulatively, we're going to give you 105% in a year. That's massive, guys. That's massive. And so that means if you put $3,000 every month, you're going to be making about 9% cumulatively in a year, will be 105%. And that's every day is going to be, in a month, it's going to be about $270. And now, at the end of the contract 24, your $3,000 is returned back to you. However, you should have made 210% returns, then with your capital will make total of 310%. Make it so? Now, but on a daily basis, you are accruing something on a daily basis, which about $9 or something. Now, cumulatively in a month, give you $270. So enough of that. So these are the investment segment. So you can see radium, all right? So look at radium. And then we have Aerodrome. I have a lot of these. Aerodrome, WiggleSwap. These are investment platforms. Okay. Now we have the robotic and partial. Right. So robotic and partial passive income strategy. You trading both. How does it actually work? Now I quickly will log in to show you how this actually works. It's amazing opportunity. And so you can't just fold your hand in this 2025 that you are entering into without maximizing opportunity that abound. Okay. Now, quickly, I'm going to log in and share with you on how do I use you trading bot for as an investment vehicle. Okay. So now, quickly, let's look at it. This is the bot. This is you trading bot. If I click on profit here, let's look at it. Now, so today, this is a you trading bot. Today, it has made $1. So I will explain to you the whole thing around this trading bot. Okay, and you can see on a daily basis making little money. Now this is the point. This bot has different features. First, it has a feature of automated, and somebody asked me one time and said automated. I said, okay, well, automated means you sign up on this bot, for instance, and you run. You just connect the bot to be running, right? Without you lifting fingers, and you allow it to be running and be generating profit for you. And most time I encourage people who are using automated, and I told them the best I would recommend for them on the automated is to go for spot automated. I don't use automated. Now, who are the categories of people that use automated? Number one, people who have much money and do not have time. Okay, so you have so much money, you do not have time. You can go for automated and allow it to run, right? And then it will trade. But there are other things you need to have apart from your money. You got to have patience because sometimes when the market is not favorable, you can be on a drawdown and it take over time to recover. So you can ask me, how much can I make in a month? This cannot be actually identified that this is what you make monthly. So, but it's actually going to be trading on your behalf. And then the lovely thing is this: the money is in your exchange. You are not depositing your money on you trading. Your money is in your exchange, and you are trading now. But this is the one I recommend. And even if you are going to do passive, I've been able to develop some strategy that's going to be developing and be getting you money just for us to set the boat maybe sometime weekly, and to just supervise it on weekly basis sometime. If not, there's some boats we have set on this platform now, has stayed for 1 month, some almost 2 months, and it's just trading and bringing profit. Okay, that's one of the lovely thing. And so there are, look at how many strategies are here. One, two, this is spot, this is future. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about 8 strategy, and you are free to use all of them. You heard me right. There are 8 strategy, and you are free to use all of them. But so now, if I show you here, and there are other opportunity around this signal, but that's not what we're looking for here. Okay. Now, but just to show you that we use this boat for passive income generation. Okay, we use this boat for passive income generation, and as much as possible. Now, you probably want to ask me, how do I go about activating this boat? Is not, you can't have access to it without you being given a link to open an account and then register, download the app, and then there's what they call UGAS. So you have to pay, it's like a recharge card that will enable you to carry out every operation you want to have on it. So this is the thing, and this is the basics I just want to show you and about this. So I don't leave fingers. This account started with $100 in about 2 months ago, and then it has generated about $439. You can see it. Report does not lie. Okay, you can see how it has actually generated that. If I show here, show record, how it has been trading, making profit, and all the like. So this is lovely. For me, I don't need to over labor myself, even though I'm a trader. I have a lot of things to attend to. So this is just working. But of course, basic guidelines. So you need to be guided, how to set it up and all of that. And then yours truly, you get it, how to set it up. Yours is the boat continue to trade for you. But the only thing is that when you activate your boat, we have different groups we add it to. If you activate the minimum boat UGAS of $100, we add it to a particular group. But if you activate from 500 or $600 UGAS and above, there are a whole lot of things we give to you. So, but I'm not going to go detail into that because so we got supporting information, training, additional access to additional exchange internal boat, how to maximize all of this. There are so many things. If you activate the highest UGAS of $7,000 UGAS, you automatically have direct access to our private mentorship. Yes, these are additional benefits. They are not part of the U trading activities. It's just we as a community that's giving this kind of privilege for people. Okay, so these are the investments. So it's so lovely, and so I'm sure if you have not heard about U trading before, or you have misrepresented, or somebody have misrepresented U trading to you, I'm just showing you the great opportunity that's available on U trading that you can actually maximize, and so it can still be used for investment scheme for you. Now, so we have these are stocks: Optimus, Merritrade, Trove, paper cars. I use them for both local and international stock. one of the lovely aspects of this platform is the fact that this platforms allows you to buy stock, invest in capital market, money market, and all the like. Yeah, you heard me right. You are allowed to invest in capital market, money market, and all the like. Okay. So most time people do not understand that you don't need to give your money to anybody to invest for you. It's just for you to have an idea and platform, have access to platform. For instance, if I open this guy now, let's go this way. Okay, so this is the other segments of investing. So investing in capital market, both local stock and international stock, is why we use some of those platforms, and they are very, very fantastic. You can see this is, so you can do what they call, so like save up to 10% APY savings. So you have Optic Flex. There are many of them. Investing in what they call Eurobond, all of those different bonds and all of that. So you want to invest. If I click here now and say create, okay, so of course, say what? And any what? 13% per annum is subject to limiting withdrawals to 5 times a month, withdrawing more than 5 times a month, forfeit interest for the month and all of that. So if, for instance, I want to enter plan. Maybe you want to build a house now, okay? As I say, give plan your name, e.g., family bills. Maybe you want to take your family for holiday by December, and now you start from January, and then you are doing savings and then accruing some profit on it and all of that, and that's for the purpose. So there are different strategy that you can create. So flex, then this one is in dollar, okay, 4%. So earning about 4% per annum. So and all of that. So these are money markets and all of that. We have Eurobond, we have different kind of investment that you can do. Okay. So there are so many of them. So most persons do not understand when we tell them about, so you have mutual fund. So both in dollar, right? Or in the Naira and as it were. So 1.53% APR. So you can see now when we talk about investing. So these are dimensions of opportunity when it has to do with investing. So, ladies and gentlemen, what I've just shown to you is number one, we have this opportunity. So don't play, right? So if I were you, you arrange yourself. First of all, of course, in the crypto aspect, so you have buy and hold a coin and then stake the coin, right? And then farm the coin and all the like. So this is the aspect of investing. So if you are in our ecosystem, we have segments where all of this information are available. So investing, get more details about how we go about this. So the next segment is going to be on career and trading corner. Okay, so that's what we have. So stay attention and don't go away. And so we're going to be unveiling that to you shortly. So you are on the YouTube channel, like the and then comment, and then of course, so that when we review new update, you can always have access to those information. And of course, you are welcome to our forum. It's free for you to be there, access to some fantastic and fundamental information, and of course, opportunity to invest in different, uh, uh, segment of the financial market. So my name again is Midas Faljima, the team leader of Plan B Express. So let's work together. Together we rise.